Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to program your Infiniti Q60 garage door opener. First, let's clear the Home Link system's memory. You'll find the Home Link buttons conveniently located on your rearview mirror. Simply press and hold the two outer buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the indicator light changes from a steady glow to a quick, rapid flash. Once it's flashing quickly, you can release both buttons, and your Home Link is ready for a fresh start. Now, let's program your Home Link with your handheld remote. Take your garage door remote and hold it about 1 to 3 inches away from the Home Link surface. Next, using both hands, simultaneously press and hold the Home Link button you wish to program and the button on your handheld remote. Continue holding them until the indicator light on your Home Link changes from a slow blink to a rapid flash. This rapid flashing indicates successful programming of the remote signal. If your garage door opener uses a rolling code system, which most modern ones do, there's one more crucial step. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position. Then, you'll need to locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor itself, usually on the back. Press and release this button. Immediately return to your Infiniti and firmly press the previously programmed Home Link button for 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this action 2 more times, for a total of 3 presses, all within 30 seconds of pressing the Learn button. All right, it's time to test your newly programmed garage door opener. Simply press and release the Home Link button you just programmed. If the indicator light remains solid, congratulations, your device should now activate your garage door. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. You can repeat the programming steps, perhaps varying the distance of your handheld remote from the Home Link buttons by a small amount. Sometimes a slight adjustment makes all the difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.